Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Bupa account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Bupa account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and then on the search bar click over there and type in the address bupa.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Bupa. So let's wait for it. And from over here guys, in order to log into your account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the customer websites. Click on that and you will be over here on the services page of the Bupa. So you can go through all of these, but in order to log into your account, choose your service carefully or for which you have signed up. Either you have signed up for Premier Gold, you have insurance account, private client by Bupa, Cromwell Hospital, according to your place of residence. Guys, we are on the UK, so choose the UK. But if you are on the different place of residence, choose your residence or choose your place accordingly. And with that being said guys, I will log into my health insurance. You can go to any of these login, you can go to any of these services to log in depending upon which one do you want to log in. So after choosing it, click on it and login page will open. So let's wait. And at the top right corner of the screen we can see the sign in button available over here. Click on sign in, and there you can see a login page for the individuals and family for a customer. But if you are partners and intermediaries of the Bupa, you can go to all of these three login panels depending upon which service you prefer or which by how you're connected to your Bupa. So with that being said, let's click on the individuals and family, and again click on sign in. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address with which you had signed up for a Bupa account, and at that enter your password guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your credential, you can always reset it or retrieve it from over here where it says forgotten your email address or forgotten your password. Simply if you've forgotten it, click on those buttons to go through a procedure to retrieve your email address or your password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on the sign in and you'll log into your Bupa account online on your computer. And then guys, this is how you log into your Bupa account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.